How to unarchive a story on Instagram. So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can unarchive a story on Instagram. So first of all, obviously you need to open Instagram. After opening Instagram, just click on your profile over at the bottom right. After coming over here, you're going to see these three lines at the top right and click on that. Now here, you'll be able to see the option archive. Click on archive. Now if you see at the top there are two options: story archive, post archives, or live archive. So if stories archive is not already selected, then you'll have to select that. Just click on story archive. Now these are all the stories that are archived. Now, for example, if this is the story that you want to unarchive, so click on this more at the bottom right, and there are some options. Now, you can either save the photo, share as post, send, or reshare archived story. Remember that once a story has passed its 24 hours time, it cannot be unarchived as a story unless and until you reshare that. Either you can reshare the archived story, or you can save the photo and then upload it as a story again. And except for that, you can also add the story to your highlight. Just add that only, and that's how you can unarchive a story on Instagram.